It's fall of 2022, and we are back with an update on one of our favorite communities, Wescott. This urban-inspired community is where you'll want to live, work, and play. Located in Midlothian, Virginia, and has so much to offer, like condos, townhomes, and amenities. What if we told you more is yet to come? The news is out. BJ's Wholesale and other retail shops are coming soon. That means homeowners will have even more access to amazing conveniences. Don't want to leave the comforts of the community? No problem. The award-winning Connexion is a great amenity center. It offers a tech-savvy clubhouse, patio, and park. Our lifestyle committees keep the calendar packed with fun, engaging events. And of course, we have the best new homes in the area. Our 2 award-winning builders are building beautiful, low-maintenance condos and townhomes. These styles of homes mean you can enjoy a lock-and-go lifestyle, but don't take our word for it. Here's what some of our Wescott homeowners have to say.
We do a lot of road trips. The accessibility to 288 around here is a game changer, and that's where the low maintenance of this community really helps us.
Coming back from a trip and unwinding, we definitely don't want the pressure of maintaining the house. We knew this was going to be our first time owning a property, right? Just knowing how to go about it, it's so overwhelming. So here, the maintenance is definitely really low. So that was one of the main reasons that we're like, okay, we're gonna go with HHHunt Communities. It's been a great experience.
Are you ready to start your Wescott story? WescottNewHomes.com. Wescott is an HHHunt community. For a complete list of our communities, please visit HHHuntCommunities.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.